This is my glow plug resistor. See, it connects to the glow plugs there. Also use this. Now maybe you can hear me. That was the first start of the little Kubota in at least 2 years, maybe 3. Don't ask me why I hadn't started it and messed with it in all that time. But now something happened. Of course, part of the reason is because of what I'm about to show you. I had noticed it and it looked really bad. She's listing like a sailboat in a gale. See, I had noticed this, but that's not the part that broke. The inside is what broke. This one's not bad. These things don't have enough traction anyway though for my place. It's too hilly, and you know, these are the kind of tires you would put on it for groundskeeping. And it's not what I need. I need a regular farm lug. In fact, taller would be good. Taller and skinnier, and with a serious tread. And actually, I would put steel on it. If I could find some steel wheels or steel wheels, lugged wheels to put on this, that would be awesome. Another possibility might be to make some. I've got to do something. It's really difficult to start, as I mentioned to somebody else earlier today. But once it starts, it runs well. It's got great gearing. But man, I need to get some wheels on this thing and hook it up, either get it working with the bush hog that I have, which is probably too big for this tractor, or preferably get a smaller bush hog that has wheels instead of 3-point hitch, because this has 3-point hitch, but I prefer the wheeled type. And because I really need a bush hog to maintain my property here a little better. So now I got to go find some wheels.